was tired of buying one of these every year. So I built this instead. And today I'm going to walk you through how to build it. So we're going to start this off by making a picture frame border out of 2x4s.
Yeah, ain't no L's, I gotta get it, no call and quits. Yeah, gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets. Yeah, better move out the way cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all it is. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. My heart on my sleeve, stress, shield my greed. That's how I get it, success ain't no given. Some days I don't hit, I don't sleep. When I'm focused, I'm dangerous. Down, wonder when I'm anxious. Ain't no limit till I tank, I'm running on fumes.
Now that the frame has been completed, we'll be securing the plywood sheet with screws.
I don't need to brag, I guess that's what happens when you taking care of your business. Plus a family, you do the math. I'm out of my pocket, Houston, we got a problem. I ain't perfect, let them watch me elevating. Got them nauseous, cause I'm the pilot in the cockpit. Nose diving in the house and woo. Watch how I get ahead, watch how I get ahead, watch how I get ahead. Watch how I set it up, bet you watch.
Now for the hardest part of the project, time to turn this artificial turf into a grid.
When you think you compare, I'm a line, but the one about the cage. I need all the wins. Yeah, ain't no L's, I gotta get it, no call and quits. Yeah, gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets. Yeah, better move out the way cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all it is. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out.
Now to clean up the area and add the dry erase board. In order to attach the dry erase board and artificial turf, we're going to be using Loctite Power Grab clear adhesive.
You got it like that. When you got it like that. Nothing gonna hold you back. When you got it like that. This is a shakedown. Order up that beat just like it's takeout. Show me you got soul inside those new shoes. And you can rock and roll with an attitude.
Now that the turf is dried, it's time to add some stencils with some white spray paint to mimic a football field.
Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. You're the new MC, you got the remix. Keep it on repeat, just let the beat kick. Everywhere you go, you bring a roof down. Everybody knows you got your own sound. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh.
I picked up these cool expanding marker holders that we're going to hot glue to the board.
The way you like it now, yeah you like it. The way you like it, oh, so good, so fresh. Get up on your feet.
Now to finish off the board, we're going to give it a stain.
Show me you got soul. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. Just the way you like it. The way you like it.
Now in order to mount this to save some space, we're going to rip a 2x6 straight down the middle at a 45-degree angle.
I see ya, free falling with your parachute pants. Look like the Vegas Strip lighting up when you dance. Got your threads dripping with the glitz and the glam. Ain't nothing gonna hold you back. Rolling, red carpet everywhere that you go. Talking so smooth, carry on a roll. Now you're seeing stars like Vinny Van Gogh.
Now to finish it off, time to color code these positions.
When you got it like that. When you got it like that. Ain't nothing gonna hold you back. When you got it like that. Rocking high tops while you're bumping the beats. Drop that boom boom, got the sound of the streets. No, no, don't stop, let it run on repeat. Ain't nothing gonna hold you back. Wow, they've never seen it.